Alright, so it's Taco Tuesday. Pardon me, guys. My mouth is on fire from this, Jamie. The lady said it wasn't that hot. I don't know what the hell she'd be eating. Maybe she'd be having jalapenos for breakfast, because this shit is hot. My mouth and my nose is runny, and my mouth is on fire. But guess what? I'm not gonna be a bitch. So let's put on some more. Oh man. Ooh, that's too much. Oh man. Dog. You know what? Let's sprinkle some lime. Yeah, I just started putting lime on my tacos. Never used to do it. Okay. Yo, can't believe how hot that is. I just put more on it. Alright. See if I can show you guys. Get a money shot going. A little money. Alright, there you go. Check it out. Let's take a bite. Man. Pretty good. Yeah, see it right there. Damn, it's falling apart like that. Probably gonna have to cut this video short. Definitely good. Yo, this sauce is nothing. This is like ketchup. But this, Jamie, bro, to say it's hot is an understatement. And I like spicy food. This is super hot. If you like spicy food, this is the sauce for you. I might bring that shit home. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna bring it home. Put it on my eggs when I make breakfast tomorrow.